Hey everybody, we're back, and I know it's been a long time. We had a couple of bouts of COVID, an influenza A, a broken foot, Ma went to Florida, but now we're back. And since it's springtime in Boston, we couldn't think of a better recipe to give you than pasta Primavera, because we all know Primavera in Italian is springtime. So Ma, tell them what we're going to give them today in your pasta Primavera.
Okay, hi everyone. Nice to be back. So I've looked around for a couple of different recipes and I've tried some different things, and I finally took a little bit of this one and a little bit of that one and put a little of my own spin in it. So I think you're going to like it.
All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to get everything all set up and we'll be back. Here we are. This is where I turn it over to my mother.
Hi everyone. So I'm going to go through all these ingredients with you. This is a nice chunk of Parmigiano Reggiano that we're going to shave right on top of the finished pasta. There's probably 2 or 3 cloves of garlic minced fine. There's a bunch of asparagus chopped. There's a Finocca, aka anise, fennel, whatever you want to call it. And you don't actually have to use this if you don't like the flavor of anise, but I like it in my pasta Primavera. There's about a cup of chopped sugar snap peas. Stop! There's 2 zucchinis diced. There's about a cup of peas. Can you?
A little taste.
This is a leek that's chopped, and remember when you use the leek, cut it in half, rinse it out really well, because it's very, very dirty inside. This is a bunch of scallions. I'll give you a punch in the head. This is a cup of my pesto.
Guys, listen, the pesto, what I'm going to do is, we can't recreate this today. We do have a pesto video. In the description box where I post all these ingredients will be the link to the pesto video, so you can get that as well.
So there's the pesto. There's 3 cups of chicken broth, about my salt and pepper, and
guys, the Tin Man. You know we can't have a video without the Tin Man. And over here on my right, of course, we have Lily's fresh pasta, the fresh bucatini. That's what our pasta Primavera is going to go on. And just let me tell you, that cheese stinks. I smelled it 3 rooms away. That is some good cheese. So what we're going to do is we're going to get all ready. We're going to get these ingredients over to the stove, and when we come back, we're going to be making pasta Primavera. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's roll. All right, everyone, here we are. I'm going to let my mother take it away. She's going to call for the ingredients, and I'm going to put them in.
All right, a little olive oil.
The Tin Man. Tell me a basta.
A basta.
There you go.
Enough.
Okay.
Now we need the scallions.
I never heard of no scallions.
We need the... Dude, jackass. We need the garlic.
Yeah, little garlic.
Yeah.
Hey, get that out.
Yeah. All right.
One bowl, okay.
Now we're going to saute this up for a couple of minutes, just until it gets nice and, you know, little translucent.
You want a little salt and pepper?
Yeah, please.
Oh, here we go. Yeah.
A basta.
There you go.
Good. Okay, that's good.
Good? All right. So, we're going to get these where they want to be, and we'll be back. All right, everyone. Now that our scallions and leeks are where they want to be, we're going to start adding in some of our vegetables.
Okay,
Mom, what do you want
so
first?
the zucchini.
Caguzza. There you go.
Cuguzzia li si chiamano, not caguzza.
Scusa.
Yep, sugar snap peas.
Sugar snap peas.
Yep. And then the anise, or Finocchia, whatever you want to call it. Stop!
Okay.
Now.
Want a bowl of salt and pepper?
No, leave it alone right now, because we're going to do it at the end.
Okay.
I need you to start pouring in some of this chicken broth.
Okay. Guys, listen, right here, chicken broth. If you want this to be a vegetarian dish, change this to vegetable stock. There'll be a vegan option for you.
Bubble it a little bit. Wait a minute, let's stir around. Okay, yep, yep, good.
All right.
Now, we're gonna let this cook maybe 4 or 5 minutes, just until these start getting just tender. All right, so.
Okay, so we're gonna get these to where they need to be, and we'll be back. This has been cooking 5 minutes, guys. Now, we're gonna add the asparagus.
Yep.
Nice. And you want more
A
salt?
little salt, yeah. And we're gonna let the asparagus cook about 2 to 3 minutes, just till they're tender crisp. You don't want them mochada. You want them nice.
See, mouchada.
Yeah. Well, you don't want them soggy. Yeah.
I use mouchada.
All right, that's good.
All right.
Abas. Okay.
Now, a couple of minutes with the asparagus, and we'll be back.
Okay. Ready here, Ken. Give me those peas. Drop those peas in. Just stir them, and this is the last minute.
Okay.
And now we're gonna add the pesto.
Go ahead.
Spit. All this good pesto in. Okay.
All right.
And this now is,
Salt and pepper?
not yet. We'll taste in a minute and see. Get a spoon.
Get the
Get a
spoon.
cucchiaia.
Go ahead, you think.
All right, hold on. Perfetto.
There it is.
Turn it off.
Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna get that pasta in, and when we come back, we're gonna give you that final product. Nice with the bucatini. Okay, guys, we're ready to put this pasta Primavera together. Now, you can see right here, always save a little bit of nice starchy pasta water that you boil your pasta in, just in case you need a little more liquid. I don't think we're gonna, but just in case.
Nice.
Nice.
There you go. Beautiful.
You want a little of that, or you just want a little pasta water?
Just a little bucatini in this.
Go ahead.
Just a little bit. Okay.
There you
good.
go, your little bit of bucatini.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, Ma, top it off with a little bit. Right? Nice. We deserve. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna plate just a little bit up for us to have that taste, and we'll be back with the final product. Okay, everybody, here we are, and I'm excited. And the first thing I'm gonna do is that, the stinky Parmigiano Reggiano.
It's delicious. It's not stinky.
I love it. The stinkier the better.
It's
All
just
right, Ma, you tell me.
Abas.
There it is. Okay.
All right.
All right, guys. Here we go.
Boy,
This is my favorite.
everything's your favorite.
That's why the doctor told me I need to lose 50 pounds, huh? Nice.
I want to get a piece of that asparagus.
Nice. The bucatini, the fresh pasta, you have to have it. You have to have it. Go to liliesfreshpasta.com. Look at everything we have. But you have to have the fresh pasta. The asparagus, the peas, the caguzza, everything in here.
Yeah, and it's
Phenomenal.
nice and just, it's not mushy. It's got a nice, tender, but still crispy, crunchy kind of.
And I know my mother said you don't have to put the Finocca in there, but guys, put the Finocca in there.
Oh, it's so delicious. It's so delicious. Anyway, this is a great recipe. Like Kenny said, if you're vegan, you can use vegetable stock. But, and if
One
you're
more.
vegan, you don't have to put any of the cheese on top. It's really, really delicious.
So guys, listen. I think me and my mother, we're gonna need a little time with this bowl. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Until next time, don't forget to live, laugh, and
Live,
cook
laugh,
Italian.
and cook Italian. Bye.